made easy with simple, easy recipe. Simple 5 ingredients. Yes, as you know how we do it. Today I'm going to be teaching us on how to make easy toast bread with 5 easy, simple, handy ingredients. The ingredients today are avocado pear, sliced bread, fresh egg, grated pepper, and butter. I repeat: avocado pear, grated pepper, butter, fresh egg, and sliced bread. So how the procedure, this is how we do it today. How you go about it when you want to make it. You break your fresh egg. You get a bowl, clean bowl. You break your fresh egg into the clean bowl. Make sure the shell does not fall into the bowl. You scoop your ripe avocado pear inside the bowl. You add your 1 spoonful of margarine, that is butter. Add your grated fresh pepper. Then you incorporate, you mix everything together. Then you get your sliced bread and you spread it on the bread. Use another slice to cover it. Set aside. Make as many quantity as you want. Then get your toasting machine. Make sure your toasting machine is clean. Then you place the bread on the toasting machine. Then put it on. Toast for like 10 to 15 minutes till it's golden brown or your desired color. Thanks for watching. See you next time on our next episode on simple food made easy with simple, handy ingredients. Thanks. Bye.